Hi friends, see this watch. This is a pocket watch, more than 120 years old, perfect running condition. We will wind it now and we will show you the running. See, it's glass, very thick glass. It's original glass, very thick glass. See, I am going to wind this watch. Time, I am changing the time. I pulled this lever and making it to the correct time now. It is 7:45 now. After bringing the needle to 7:45, pressing, and I am going to wind it key. See the second hands running. Porcelain dial, this watch. It's a Swiss made watch. The Premier. See the condition. Pass. Yeah, this watch is now perfect running condition or with original machine, recently serviced, porcelain dial. If anyone interested, please contact me.